I'm going to try to use this heat gun when wearing a mask to flatten the pipe a little bit so that it's easier to get the mulch to go over. So let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to put the heat gun on the max, and I'm going to use this piece of wood to push it down. It kind of stinks because it's already in there solid, so I can't really pull it out and do it. If I could, but it'd be more work. I'm going to just try to hit it with the heat gun and see what happens. It is thick pipe, so it's going to take longer than thin pipe would. Not really getting hot enough so far. Starting to deform a little on the edge there. See, seems the outer end melts a lot quicker than this inside part. You see it's nice and flat there now in the front. Still the same amount of volume, just a flatter surface. So when I put the mulch down, it'll be easier to cover that small gap now. I'm not too worried about the part over here. But this part I did want to get a little flatter. The PVC enough to get a little bit of a flatter surface. And you wear your mask, of course, and try to avoid inhaling any of those fumes or anything. You don't want any of that. It's a flatter surface. It's not 2 inches high anymore. It's probably about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches high. I'm really happy with that. So then I can put mulch over this and put a couple plants here. Okay, this is the results. As you can see, it's pretty much hidden. I even have more mulch there than I need to on top of that. And my gutter, I went from a 4-inch to a 2-inch because this gutter doesn't get that much, doesn't get any leaves anymore. We cut the trees down, so this side of the gutter is leaf free. If we want hide and glue this portion to the pipe. So I can always dig this up a little bit, and if I do have a jam or something, I could go in that way, or I could like snake it. But I don't see that happening now that I don't have any trees over here. So what happens is if you flatten that whole pipe, you wouldn't need as high a mulch pile there. But right now it's very minor. That 2-inch pipe really can be hidden really well. Imagine if that was a 4-inch pipe or a gutter drain, how high that would have to be to hide that pipe. And in another video, I'll show you how to totally hide the end piece there. It's pretty good now, but I could even do better. So I have another video coming that will show you how to do that.